The United Doctors Front, that is UDF, a registered organization, has approached the Supreme Court of India under Article 32 of the Constitution, seeking the dissolution of the National Testing Agency, that is NTA, following the alleged NEET UG 2026 paper leak controversy and the cancellation of the examination. Notably, the petition filed through Advocate on Record Ritu Renewal along with Advocate Mahendra Kumawat calls the incident a systematic and catastrophic failure in the conduct of NEET UG 2026 and also demands major reforms in India's examination system. According to the plea, NEET UG 2026 was conducted on May 3 for nearly 22.7 lakh candidates, but was allegedly compromised through an organized guest paper racket circulating on WhatsApp and Telegram groups across multiple states. The petition claims that despite safeguards like biometric verification, GPS tracking, and AI-enabled CCTV surveillance, the paper was leaked nearly 42 hours before the exam. It further argues that the later cancellation of the examination showed authorities could no longer separate genuine candidates from those who may have accessed leaked material. The UDF has argued that the NTA, established under the Societies Registration Act 1860, suffers from an accountability gap because it is not directly answerable to Parliament like statutory bodies such as the UPSC or SSC. According to the petition, the structural weakness has contributed to repeated failures in maintaining the integrity of national-level examinations, and the plea also contends that such lapses violates Articles 14 and 21 of the Constitution by undermining merit-based selection and causing severe stress, uncertainty and loss of trust among students. In its plea before the court, the organization has sought directions to dissolve the NTA in its current form and replace it with a statutory national testing authority created through legislation passed by the Parliament. The proposed body, according to the petition, should have clear legal powers, stronger transparency mechanisms, and direct accountability to the Parliament. It also seeks the formation of a court-monitored committee in order to supervise the transition process and ensure zero leak integrity in future examinations. The petition also relies on observations made by the Supreme Court during the 2024 NEET controversy and recommendations of the K. Radhakrishnan Committee, which had suggested stronger security systems, reduced outsourcing, and a gradual shift towards more secure, technology-driven examination formats, which also includes computer-based testing. Meanwhile, the controversy has triggered protest by student organizations, including demonstrations by the National Students' Union of India outside the NTA office in Delhi. And the protests reflect growing anger among aspirants over repeated allegations of irregularities in one of India's most competitive entrance examinations. And at the center of the investigation, the Central Bureau of Investigation has reported major progress in uncovering the alleged leak. The agency has arrested Pune-based chemistry professor P.V. Kulkarni, who is considered a key accused in the case. Kulkarni, a former principal of Dayanand College with nearly 28 years of academic experience, had also been working as a contract chemistry expert with the NTA for the past 2 years. Investigators allege that Kulkarni misused his access to confidential examination material in order to organize special coaching sessions at his residence in Pune during the last weeks of April 2026. And during all these sessions, he allegedly dictated questions, options and answers to students, which later closely matched the NEET UG 2026 paper that conducted on May 3. According to the CBI, students reportedly paid several lakhs of rupees to attend all these sessions. The CBI has also arrested Manisha, an associate of Kulkarni, for allegedly helping mobilize students for these sessions. Officials have conducted searches at multiple locations and seized electronic devices and documents that are currently undergoing forensic analysis. Investigators also suspect the involvement of additional lectures, with raids continuing in Pune. And the case first came to light after parents alleged that a coaching institute's mock test contained questions identical to those in the NEET examination. One complaint claimed that 42 questions matched exactly with the actual paper, prompting an initial police investigation before the matter was handed over to the CBI. And as the investigation continues and the matter remains before the Supreme Court, the controversy has intensified nationwide debate over the credibility and security of India's examination system, with growing demands for transparency, accountability, and comprehensive reforms in high-stakes entrance tests like NEET. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.